Okay, so another simple recipe tonight. This is number one easy.
Right.
Now I hope you have a smoker. If you don't, a lot of grills you can put a little smoke in there and make that happen. But this is low and slow. We're talking
right.
270 to 275 degrees. We're taking some wings and we're just putting my dry rub on them. And in there at 275 degrees at 2 hours, something about that smoker and a little dry rub. And some of them we put some of my barbecue sauce
Put your barbecue sauce, that's right.
And they're perfectly moist because they're in that smoker, they're in that environment, and they got that natural smoke taste. I use hickory, so we're going to show you what that looks like. But here's another quick and easy thing that we like to do with our chicken wings or anytime we're doing
You gotta
any
have
kind of
dip.
ranch dip.
That's right.
This is a ranch dip recipe that's so easy, but better than what you get in the store.
Oh, yeah.
Now, if you want to start off with some kind of all-purpose seasoning, I like some with a little bit of celery seed in there. It just really adds to
This
me.
is about a cup of sour cream too. You
Cup
start
of
with
sour cream,
You start-
lots of chives. Now I like to get those chives that are dried just a little bit, but they still have some moisture in them. They got a lot of taste. So that was probably 2 tablespoons of that. Some parsley, some fresh parsley.
It smells good already.
It does. But the chives, trust me. Let's do a little buttermilk. Just that much. And then, I don't know, 3/4 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Then we're gonna come back with some dill weed, and that's probably half a teaspoon.
A lot of dill. There's a lot of dill.
You know what? And I'm even gonna go some more chives. I'm gonna go some more chives. And what do you think we're gonna end up with?
Tellicherry, for sure.
We just ground
Taste
this. How is it?
Delicious already.
Now, some people might want just a little sweetness in there. If you want to put some sugar in there, you could. But I think I'm gonna leave that as is.
That's perfect.
So there is ranch dip. Say, oh no, we forgot our ranch dip. Whip it up.
Perfect. That was easy.
Now, wings. Popped them in the smoker. Let's go out and pull them out of the smoker and see what they look like.
Okay.
So I want you to look at those wings.
They're beautiful.
Now look, you can still tell they're moist, but these are the ones with a little bit of barbecue sauce on them. These are the ones that are plain, but they're still plenty moist. 2 hours, you can do about 90 minutes if you wanted to, but we found that about 2 hours at 275, they are just absolutely beautiful. And I'm telling you what, that ranch dip that we just made,
Trying some?
now they're gonna be a little hot, so don't burn your mouth. Oh, how many times have you been to a restaurant and had a really dry wing?
These are perfect.